Now I have a black and white image here, or a picture. I want to colorize it. So it's very simple, and I'm going to use Movavi Photo Editor. I'll just come here, this tool here called Restore. Then you make sure this one are checked. They are orange. Enhance photo, colorize photo. Then I'll just click Restore. Then after a few minutes, it will give you it will colorize the picture. It is using an AI, but now you want to enhance it to look better. I'll just come again, retouching here. Then I'll come here under foundation. Now foundation will give me all these colors are, I think, colors for all human beings. Now I'll just choose, let me just imagine this was Caucasian, so I'll just choose maybe some this color here. Then in my brush, I'll just make sure the softness, maybe I put this at 73. Then I'll just start painting here like this, just like this, to add more color so that it doesn't look so light, as you can see there. Maybe the hair, I can put it maybe something like okay, let me just undo. After colorization, after painting like that, now you can change the color intensity just like that. You can go about like that. Also, you can also paint the hair so that it matches with the wood. It matches with the, yeah, just like that, so that it has some color. Then you can just apply. That's how to colorize a picture in Movavi Photo Editor. It's that simple. You can play around with all the colors. If you have a color scheme of color palette, also there are more options here you can play around with. Maybe if you choose this one here, you can play around with all these colors. If you apply again, maybe now you want the hair to be something like maybe reddish or orange, you can just come again here and let's just start painting after you have applied. So it's just a matter of playing around with all these colors, just like that. Just you can erase if it goes smudges to where you don't want it. You can just come and erase here. Then you can just play around, come again to brush. Then you can just now decide the hair color to be something else. So that's how to colorize a picture in Movavi Photo Editor. It is that simple and it's that easy. See you in the next video.